Hello, I'm Renata from YSafe. Today I would like to ask you a few questions because we are making the project I Love Being a Girl. Can you tell me your name and where are you from?
My name is Maya, and I'm from Bulgaria.
Could you please give an example of the situation where you felt empowered?
For me, empowered means that you have the ability to make your own choices. And one of the greatest choices in my life was actually joining IPPF as a volunteer and YSafe. And I think it made me empowered because I realized how much freedom I have in Bulgaria as a country and as a young woman. And then it gave me the tools and the opportunities to help other young women to discover the problems they have, the problems that I didn't even imagine a girl can have, and cherish the freedom I have, and then find a way to give strength to other girls, or to give them support in any way, or just defend their rights. And I think that's a really good choice I made, and it feels great. And now I love being a girl for having being daring enough to take that choice by myself.
Can you give any advice for other girls which doesn't feel empowered and doesn't feel that they are important in their life?
Well, getting empowered is a difficult path, but I think that first of all you have to find the strength in yourself, the strength to accept that there is some kind of problem, the strength to admit to somebody else that you have facing problems, and seek help. Seeking help is a difficult thing to do. And the thing is that there are lots of organizations that are providing such help, just like IPPF, and there you can find consultation or support, or even medical support. You have to seek help from your surrounding as well, depending on the surrounding you have. But the most important thing is to find a love for yourself and fight for yourself.
Thank you for sharing your experience with us and have a nice day.
It was my pleasure.